In front of me is STK Life 9, and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select system at the bottom of the list, and here click on date and time. And here you can smoothly switch off automatic date and time by using this first option here, and just tap on off, and from now on you can set date and time manually by yourself. As you can see from now on, okay, so it's time again and no date. From now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Just mark it and tap on OK. And that would be all. Obviously you can also switch off automatic time zone and pick any other that you only want to apply. Just pick the region first and then time zone if available. And this is it. This is how you can manage date and time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.